All right, thanks, Sam, for explaining what works and doesn't work. So my name is Tower Johnny, and I'm in charge of the conclusion. So let's go about it. All right, so we first discussed differences in the U.S., Russia, France, and Portugal systems. And then we went about substance use disorders and its co-diagnosis of mental health, risk factors and its occurrence rates, financial impact, laws and policies, treatment program approaches, and before what we learned what our best approach was, is our driving question. What lessons can U.S. nonprofit organizations learn from different treatments for mental health and substance use disorders from the three countries that we picked, which were Russia, France, and Portugal? So we came about a compassionate whole person approach to treating the substance use disorders that addresses not only physical health, but mental health as well, and supports the social determinants of health, environment, wellness, education, work opportunities, and connection that does not treat substance use disorders as a crime to be the best approach. So thank you for listening to our presentation and have a great day, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.